Have you noticed how sometimes you wake up from a light nap and feel okay, but other times you wake up from a deep sleep and feel totally disoriented? That's because all sleep is not the same. Your brain actually moves through different stages of sleep every night. In this video, we'll break down the stages of sleep and what happens in each stage. So, sleep is broadly divided into two main types: non-REM sleep and REM sleep. REM means rapid eye movement. Within non-REM, we have three stages: stage 1, 2, and 3. And after that comes the REM sleep. Together, these stages form one sleep cycle, which usually lasts about 90 minutes. And we go through 4 to 6 cycles every night. Non-REM stage 1 is the very first lightest stage of sleep. ये वो मोमेंट है जब हमें लगता है कि हम सो भी रहे हैं and हम जाग भी रहे हैं. We only spend a few minutes in this particular stage, and in this stage we see theta brain waves which represent light sleep. So in this stage your heart rate and breathing starts to slow, your muscles relax, and something that is very common in stage 1 is hypnic jerks. जब हमें लगता है कि हम गिरने वाले हैं and हम झटके से उठ जाते हैं. Non-REM stage 2 is deeper than stage 1, but it is still considered light sleep. This stage takes up about half of your total sleep time in a normal night. In this stage as well, we mostly see theta brain waves, but there are certain special patterns that we see in stage 2. Firstly, we see sleep spindles, which are short bursts of faster activity linked to learning and memory. We also see K complexes, which are big sharp waves that help keep you asleep when there is mild noise. In this particular stage, your eye movements stop, your body temperature drops, heart rate and breathing slow further. From outside, you look deeply asleep, but this is still not the deepest level yet. Non-REM stage 3 is deep sleep, also known as slow wave sleep. This particular stage is dominated by delta brain waves, which are very slow, high amplitude waves. In this stage, the muscles are very relaxed, heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing are at their lowest. In this particular stage, it is very hard to wake someone here. Even if you do wake up the person, they feel very confused and disoriented and get that just pulled out of a coma feeling. This stage is physically restorative, body repairs the tissues, growth and immune processes are active. Many parasomnias like sleepwalking and night terrors tend to occur in deep non-REM sleep. After non-REM stages, the brain enters REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. In this particular stage, we see that the brain activity is very active. It almost looks like awake brain activity even though you are asleep. Here we also see our eyes move very rapidly under closed eyelids, hence the name. Here the muscles are mostly paralyzed, which is called muscle atonia, so you don't act out your dreams, because this is the stage where the most vivid, weird, bizarre dreaming happens. Heart rate and breathing becomes more irregular and variable. In the early part of the night, REM periods are shorter. Toward morning, REM episodes become longer, which is why you often remember dreams if you wake up at that time. So, this is how a typical cycle of sleep looks like. You go into non-REM stage 1, which is very light. Then you move on to non-REM stage 2, which is also a light sleep. And here, sleep spindles are very common. Then we move to non-REM stage 3, which is deep sleep. And then we go into REM sleep, which is rapid eye movement sleep. Here, the brain activity is very high. So your Night is not one uniform block of sleep, but multiple cycles of non-REM and REM. Let's test your understanding with the question. You can answer in the comments. A student was awakened at 2 a.m. They were extremely confused, felt disoriented, and said, I feel like I'm still dreaming. From which sleep stage were they most likely awakened? Option A, non-REM stage 1, option B, stage 2, option C, stage 3, or option D, REM sleep.